Here's what comes in the box with the MRCOOL Compact Refrigeration System. Atop the system is the cardboard cutting template. This acts as your wall cutting guide, so you can trace the exact dimensions before making any cuts. Then there's the installation sleeves. These will set inside the hole the system will be mounted into. Next, there's the drain line, to direct any condensation safely away from the system. We also have the L bracket that will help secure the system into the cold box it's housed within. Next are the installation sleeves that will line the opening you cut into your cold box wall. The sleeves are included to cleanly bridge the gap between the system and the cold box hole it's housed within. Then there's a bag containing the securing screws, split washers, lock nuts, and bolts. And the drain connector that moves condensation from the system neatly into the drain line. Then we have the rain hood cover for the wired controller. Next is the foamed elastomeric insulation, which is packaged with the wired controller cable. Next are the first set of support brackets. These are the longer set of brackets and are right-angled. They are used to support the outside half of the unit during a side mounting installation. Then in the small cardboard box here, we have the wired controller. This is where you'll set the temp and control the unit for refrigeration or freezing. There is an app available, MRCOOL Connect, so you can check and change your system remotely using Wi-Fi as well. And then we have the second set of support brackets. These are the bottom accessory diagonal brace mentioned in the manual. Next is the manual and other documentation. This includes the installation manual and the wired controller manual to guide your setup. Then you'll lift up the styrofoam to find the insulating sleeve taped to its underside. Similar to the foamed insulation, this material is placed around the sleeve to properly seal the unit and protect the system's performance from condensation. And then we have the system itself, the MRCOOL Compact Refrigeration System. To learn more about this or any of MRCOOL's innovative products, visit mrcool.com today.